Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the social and economic conditions of Kakatiyas. In previous video, we shall discuss about the administrative system of the Kakatiyas. In that, we talk about the central gout and the provincial gout of the Kakatiyas. That is most important essay type question in the view of annual examination. Okay guys, let it. Today our topic is social and economic conditions during the time of Kakatiyas. This is also most important in the view of essay type questions. Okay, so that's why you can listen carefully and write the key points on your notes. Okay students, first of all I am talking about the social conditions of the Kakatiyas. During the time of Kakatiyas, the society was organized on the basis of Varnas. This statement was most important. Why? Because the society of Kakatiyas is organized on the base of the Varnas. What is Varna? Already you know. Study in the first year history, intermediate first year history about the Varnas. In ancient India, in our society, there are 4 Varnas are there. What are they? First one, Brahmans. Second one, Kshatriyas. Third one, Vaishyas. Fourth one, Shudras. This is the fourfold caste system of the ancient Indian society. This trend was continuous growthly up to the Kakatiyas period. During the time of Kakatiyas, the society was organized on the base of the Varna system. In this Varna, the first one is Brahmans. Brahmans are most enjoyed all the powers of the state, and also they were much more respect give from the society. Why? Because they were educated. They were known all the knowledge of the Vedas and Puranic and another type of texts. And they were appointed in higher officials in the state of central and provincial level. Rulers also gives a more respect to the Brahmins. Okay, and second, Kshatriyas. What is the main aim of the Kshatriyas? Protect the people and protect the dynasty or kingdom. The ruling rights were considered in the hands of the Kshatriya families. And third, Vaishyas. What is the main duty of Vaishyas? Yes, right. Trade and commerce and do the agriculture. This was the main duty of the Vaishyas. And what about Shudras? Shudras are low category of the society. They were lived in outside of the villages and towns. And his main duty is to serve about 3 categories. పైన చెప్పినటువంటి 3 కేటగిరీస్కి వాళ్ళు సేవలు చేయాలి. దే హ్యావ్ నో రైట్స్. దే వర్ లుక్ లైక్ యాజ్ ఏ స్లేవరీస్. వాళ్ళని బానిసలుగా చూసేవారు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బ్రీఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ ది వర్ణ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ fourfold caste system of the Kakatiyan period. And second point, Varnas were split into many castes and subcastes. This was a tremendous change of the Kakatiyan society. What is that? The Varnas can be split into many castes and subcastes. అనేక కులాలుగా మరియు ఉపకులాలుగా డివైడ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇన్ దట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ castes and subcastes are here mentioned. Veganatis, Velanatis, Pakanatis and Kammanatis. These are the most important categories of Varnas in castes and subcastes. And some of the inscriptions are mentioned. There are Ashtadasha Mahapraja castes are there. Ashtadasha Mahapraja. Especially Kridabhiramam. The text Kridabhiramam mentioned about the categories of the society. How many? Ashtadasha, 18 in number. In that, some of the most important categories, Praja groups are mentioned here. Brahmins. First one Brahmins. Second one Kshatriyas. Third one Komatis. Komati nothing but traders. And Sale. Sale means weavers. Sale nothing but weavers. And Reddis do the agriculture. And Telikas. Telikas, it means oil makers. Telikas means oil makers. And Kuruba. Kuruba, pastoral community. Pastoral community, Kuruba. And another important, Medara, basket makers. Medara means basket makers. And Perika, business persons. Perika, business persons. And Velamalu, Velama, agriculturists. And Uppara, housemakers. Uppara, housemakers. And one more another important category, Idiga. Idiga. Idiga means Gauds. Kallu Geeta Karmik. Gauds Idiga. These are the most important Ashtadasha Maha Praja in the society of Kakatiyan period. And another important point is, during the time of Kakatiyan society, there are so many social evils there. అనేక సామాజిక దురాచారాలు ఉన్నాయి. సోషల్ ఈవిల్స్, మూఢనమ్మకాలు. ఇన్ దట్ వన్ ఈజ్ sati was in practice. This was most important. From the ancient Indian society, this social evil was continuously growth up to the Kakatiyan period. Sati was in practice. And second, child marriages. What is child marriages? Yes, right. Child marriages also there. And third one, Kanya Sulkam. Kanya Sulkam also is there. And polygamy. Polygamy also there. It means Bahubharyatvam. And another important, prostitution, Veshya Vritti. This was also practiced in the society of the Kakatiyan period. So these are the most important social evils in Kakatiyan society. And some of most important entertainment of the people in the society of Kakatiyas are there. like puppet shows, cockfights, ram fights, and snake dances, etc. These are the entertainment activities of the Kakatiyan society. So this is a brief information about the society, students. Now I am going to explain about economic conditions of the Kakatiyas or economy of the Kakatiyan Empire. The Kakatiyan Empire economy was, the Kakatiyan state economic condition was should be depend on the agriculture. When we are studying about the economic conditions, there are three important points are came to existence. Do you observe the students? In any dynasty, in any period, in our Telangana history and Indian history, when we are studying about economic conditions, we remember three headlines are there. One is agriculture, second one industries, third one trade and commerce. ఇవి ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి పాయింట్స్ అన్నారు. ఫస్ట్లీ ఐఎమ్ టాక్ అబౌట్ అగ్రికల్చర్. ద కాకతీయన్ కింగ్డమ్ వాజ్ totally depend on agriculture. Why? Because the people of Kakatiyan period main profession is agriculture, and they were mostly depend on agriculture. That's why the rulers and the royal families and subordinates and chiefs and nayankaras, some of most popular traders in Kakatiyan period, they were mostly tried to the construction of a artificial tanks and also developed the irrigation facilities to the cultivation of the new lands. Mostly the rulers encouraged to the developing of the agriculture sector, cut the forests and cultivate the new lands and provide irrigation facilities and product a huge level of the crops. This was a most important activity of the Kakatiyan period. For the developing of the agriculture sector, the rulers of the Kakatiyas are constructed a new system, that is chain link tanks. It is called in Telugu Golusu Kattu Cheruvulu. They were constructed Golusu Kattu Cheruvulu. How it is Golusu Kattu Cheruvulu? One upper level, they were constructed one artificial tank. When in the rainy season it was filled, after remaining surplus water was flowing downfall, and here they were built another artificial tank. It is also full after the water is flowed into down level. Here they built another type of artificial tank later, and this is a chain link tanks or Golusu Kattu Cheruvulu. Nowadays also we can observe in various villages in Telangana region this type of Golusu Kattu Cheruvulu as generally seen in our villages. After the formation of Telangana state, the Telangana state started a new program to the development of this type of cheruvus, that is Mission Kakatiya. ఆ పేరు కూడా అందుకనే పెట్టారు. What is the main aim and objective of Mission Kakatiya? To reconstruct this type of tanks. Nearly 45,000 tanks were reconstructed in the program of Mission Kakatiya. This type of tanks were built during the time of Kakatiyan period. Here I mentioned some important samudras or tanks here. One is Nama Samudra, Kesari Samudra, Rudra Samudra, Pakala tank, Ramappa tank, Laknavaram Cheru, Kunda tank, Bhayaram tank, and Udaya Samudram at Panagal. These are the most important samudras. Samudras nothing but known as tanks or cheru during the time of Kakatiyas. During the time of Kakatiyas, the agriculture sector was most flourished. Why? Because they were built so many artificial tanks in various regions in the Kakatiyan kingdom. And 1/10 of the land tax revenue should be collected from the peasants. 1/10. How much they collected? 1/10. And Panga Pannu. These are the land taxes during the time of Kakatiyas. Panga and Pannu. These are two types of land tax were there. 1/10 of collected of the produce. The tax should be paid in cash or kind. వాళ్ళు ధన రూపంలో లేదా ధాన్య రూపంలో చెల్లించవచ్చు. There was another important taxes also there. Professional taxes, income taxes, corporate taxes, water tax. This type of taxes are most important to the state income of the Kakatiyan kingdom. And second, industries. Industries also most developed during the time of Kakatiyas. Here I mentioned some important industries like diamond, carpenting industry, and cotton industry. Cotton industry was most flourished during the time of Kakatiyas. The clothes were most important goods to the export of the another countries. Why? Because there are internal trade and external trade also there. Guilds also formed to the continuous process to the development of trade and commerce. There also maintained trade relations with Ceylon, China, and Southeast Asian countries. And also they have maintained trade relations with Rome and Italy. Ganapati Deva issued Motupalli Abhayastam to the protect of the traders in ocean level. సముద్రయానం మీద నౌకలను రక్షించేందుకు అతడు మోటుపల్లి వద్ద అభయాస్తం అనేటటువంటి ఒక శాసనాన్ని కూడా వేయించాడు. దట్ ఈస్ టు ద ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రేడర్స్ ఇన్ ద వ్యూ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రేడింగ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ a brief information about economic conditions of the Kakatiyas. Okay students, tomorrow we shall discuss about the religion, language and literature conditions during the time of Kakatiyas.